Top Superfoods for Optimal Health, a comprehensive guide. In the quest for a healthy lifestyle, incorporating superfoods into our diets has gained significant attention. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that offer a plethora of health benefits, ranging from boosting immunity to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other bioactive compounds that support overall well-being. This article aims to provide an in-depth exploration of some of the top superfoods for optimal health. What defines a superfood? The term superfood does not have a strict scientific definition. However, it generally refers to foods that are exceptionally rich in nutrients and offer potential health benefits beyond basic nutrition. Superfoods are typically high in antioxidants, fiber, healthy fats, and various vitamins and minerals. Top superfoods for optimal health: blueberries. Blueberries are often hailed as a superfood due to their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their heart-healthy properties, reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. Consuming fatty fish like salmon is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable packed with vitamins A, K, and C, as well as fiber, calcium, and iron. It's also a rich source of antioxidants and may have anti-inflammatory properties. Adding kale to your diet can help support bone health, immune function, and overall vitality. Quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free whole grain that is considered a complete protein, as it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in fiber, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. Quinoa can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet, providing sustained energy and supporting muscle repair. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are small, nutrient-dense seeds packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various vitamins and minerals. They can absorb large amounts of liquid, aiding in digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. Chia seeds are versatile and can be added to smoothies and yogurt, or used as a thickening agent in recipes. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice known for its active compound curcumin, which possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to support brain health, improve joint function, and possibly reduce the risk of chronic diseases like Alzheimer's and certain types of cancer. Almonds. Almonds are a nutrient-dense nut, rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, protein, fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants. They can promote heart health, aid in weight management, and support blood sugar control when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, calcium, and folate. It's low in calories and high in antioxidants, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Spinach can be consumed raw in salads or cooked in various dishes. Berries, acai, goji, and maki. Berries like acai, goji, and maki are often touted as superfoods due to their high antioxidant content. Acai berries are rich in anthocyanins, goji berries are loaded with vitamins and minerals, and maki berries have high levels of antioxidants. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can provide a range of health benefits. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich dairy product that is lower in lactose and higher in calcium compared to regular yogurt. It also contains probiotics, which support gut health and digestion. Greek yogurt can be a nutritious snack or a versatile ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. Incorporating superfoods into your diet. To reap the benefits of superfoods, it's essential to incorporate them into a well-rounded, balanced diet. Here are some tips for integrating these nutrient-packed foods into your daily meals. smoothies. Blend a variety of superfoods like berries, spinach, and chia seeds into a nutritious smoothie for a quick and convenient meal or snack. Salads. Add superfoods like kale, spinach, and quinoa to your salads for an extra nutrient boost. Snacks. Enjoy almonds, chia seed pudding, or a piece of fruit as a healthy snack option. Main meals. Incorporate salmon, quinoa, and vegetables into your main meals for a balanced and satisfying dish. Yogurt parfaits. Create yogurt parfaits with Greek yogurt, berries, and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds for a nutritious and delicious breakfast or dessert. Baking. Substitute traditional ingredients with healthier options like almond flour or chia seeds in baking recipes. Conclusion. Superfoods are nutrient-packed foods that can be powerful additions to a healthy diet. Incorporating a variety of superfoods into your meals can provide an array of essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other bioactive compounds that support overall health and well-being. However, it's important to remember that no single food can provide all the nutrients your body needs. A balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods is key to achieving optimal health. As always, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet.